everyone. Hello to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. Depends where you are watching me from. I salute you all. Thank you all for always tuning in, watching my videos, subscribing to my YouTube channel. I say, wow, you guys are so awesome. Without you guys, there's no Mama Didi Canada TV show. I really appreciate everyone. I thank you all for always supporting me. Thank you all my member. Thank you all. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. So guys, in today's video, we go the knack am for pidgin English. And I know how we the knack am. Yes. So guys, today topic now about there's this message when I listen to this message, and this message come dey talk say they no dey see virgin again for Nigeria. They say no virgin again in Nigeria. Is it really truth? You guys know say I no dey Nigeria. Make una leave am. Any of my people wey dey Nigeria, guys, leave it under the comment section because I want to talk about this thing. Because there's this lady. She said they come dey talk to her say he want make his own son marry virgin. Grandmama, were you a virgin where your husband gets you? I know a lot of women that is watching me right now. Most of you are a virgin where your husband meets you. Don't get me wrong, guys. Okay? Yes. As for me, the gallant lady, I'm number one. I'm number one. I was a virgin. Okay? So, guys, the thing surprised me, you know. The thing surprised me. I said, okay, let me share with you people. This lady, she's a grandma. And he wants his son. His son wey don shook his own banana for everywhere. He want make his son marry virgin. Now don't see where person wey don shook his leg for outside. They look for person wey go be wey want marry as virgin. So me come see talk am for my own say this, even though say Nigeria gets as e be, I believe there's still more virgin. There's still more girls wey still dey say no, I don't want to do this. I want to wait for my time. I want to wait for my husband to get me. Yes, I know there's a lot of girls, and I know say, you know say for this life nothing with poverty not the cause. Poverty can lead to anything. When I was in Nigeria, I believe say then Nigeria never spoil like this. The way it be now, you go see say they go see 12 years old. 12 years old, we want ready go abroad, we madam want carry comot. Like I dey look and like say, what is going on? Like that means say this world the thing don't wear akpola shoes. He wear akpola shoes, can't wear skirt and blouse, my people. So why am I saying all these things? I just want to bring some things out from this place. For good, we know say Nigeria not there as it be day before, but we still know say there's still more girls there wey still be virgin, wey no want spoil their self, wey still dey wait for God's time, wey still dey wait for the right man to come engage them, marry them. You understand? And that's why you go see some where their home na to shoot their kpekus anywhere just sweet. You understand? So for me, I believe there's still more virgin in Nigeria. Yes, there's still more virgin, because you go see some pastor. Okay, let me start from pastor. You see some pastor children. I know say they say some spoil, but I believe 99% of pastor children, they are not corrupt. They are not spoiled to that extent say it never reach their time they will go they do those things. You understand? Okay, so maybe if not be still pastor pikin, maybe for their side they still get small things still hold them, or maybe some nothing dey, but they dey village. Because I know say the one wey dey town, those one they carry their kpekus go anywhere. But some wey still dey village, I know say some still dey, and some for town, guys, don't get me wrong, some wey still dey town too, they still dey keep their safe. You understand? So I'm using this medium to say to any mothers or anybody wey dey talk say, ah, my pikin must marry virgin. Your pikin na virgin. Your pikin na virgin. You wey your pikin wan marry virgin, your pikin na virgin. Mama, you wey dey talk say your pikin wan marry virgin, were you a virgin when your husband caught you? So if you know say you were not a virgin when your husband caught you, when your husband meets you, you don't need to search for virgin. Yes, anyone come you carry. Na so you go see they go say, those one wey not be virgin, they not dey quick carry belle. If they married them, the pikin not dey quick come. Are you God? You wey dey look for virgin so. Do you know that I don't see one person like that, He never know any man for his life. The first man wey he know, na virgin now. Do you know that up till now, she has never even miscarriage? Talk less say she wan remove one. So that kind of person, wetin you wan call am? You wan say she carry her belle, she don use am born pikin for water finish, abi wetin? What are you gonna say to that person? This life, more dey try dey balance am. We know say things fine, things dey somehow, but that one no give most of girls to dey sell their self, especially when they see say man come from abroad, sugar daddy. No one wey no dey let dey follow. My sisters in Nigeria, do not come destroy yourself. You see some now when they wan marry, the boy wey they fall in love to, e go come be say na he sugar daddy. The man don first chop the kpekus. Because of that marriage no go work. Or maybe his brother don first chop that kpekus. Because of that, the marriage no go work. So my brothers and my sisters, make una stop to dey do these things. Make una try keep una self. Yes, make una try dey keep una self. It's very good when you keep yourself for your husband. When you dey grow, they come. I don't know if other people have the kind of mentality I have. When I dey grow, they come. I say no. Now the man where I want marry, yes, that was it. I've never friend any man. You see? So now so this life be. Not just say you want sell your kpekus first. You want sell am for every other person. Person wey go come now. Person wey go come now, wan come shop the kpekus. He go say his brother don shop am, his junior brother don shop am, his senior brother don shop am, his papa don shop am. Just look at the other one that day now wey they just dey talk. This girl don marry. He get husband. He get husband. He go still go Nigeria, go dey shop if he husband father banana. How una see that kind thing? Na craze abi na smartness? Is she okay? Is she sick in the head? For me, I think she's not normal. She's not normal because she need to put her boniki for that akpekus. Akpekus. How can your akpekus drive you to the extent that it's your husband father? Okay, fine. More just say all these girls. Okay, they don't shop that sugar daddy finish. Now the boy where they come meet na sugar daddy first son or na sugar daddy last baby. Sugar daddy cause say no, say because say me don't first shop here. Una understand this thing? It no fit work. So that's why as a girl, they say now only boys they can't say how many girl I don't friend. Girls, can you count how many boys you don't friend? You can't. Because it's gonna be a big disgrace to you when you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means say well, if it be say they happen, if it be say some they do am, you know say some girls they are so stupid that they don't even care about their life. Yes, they don't even care about their life. All they think about how to get quick money. My darling, quick money not be the first thing. Look for a hand job. Learn how to work. They see salon. They see this salon where they do hair. They see sewing of clothes. Okay, guys, let me use myself as an example to you guys. Me wey dey here so, I learn tailor. I sabi do hair. There's no kind of hair I don't do. I sew cloth. There's nothing I don't know how to do. So wetin you want to say go hard me tomorrow? Or maybe as I get pikin now, I come dey find wan do my pikin hair for what now? I come dey paragulate. Hey, sister, you ready? You fit do my pikin hair? Why? If you know you don't have that opportunity now, you never learn those work. It's not late. Work not dey late too. You can learn work anytime. You can go to school anytime. Look at Canada here. Canada, you go see the day where they use walkie stick, they waka. If they go school. You go see our grandpapa, if they go school. All of them is school. School not they say nah you don't fit go school again. Nah you don't be 25 years, you don't be 30 years, you don't be 40 years, you cannot go to school. No. You can go to school anytime. If maybe you are ready to go to this school. Why am I saying all this? Girls, please, you guys should try and keep yourself. Keep yourself. Try and keep yourself. Forget about the money. Forget about looking for sugar daddy to give you the thing where you... No. You go only enjoy them for that minute. That money, you go only shop am. You don't ship the shit plant away. You don't go use and buy straight hair. Don't use and buy clothes, buy jewelries, my dear. You get where you go wear the hair reach, you don't tire. It's just like me now. If not be video, I don't have time. Come they wear hair for waiting now. Make we try stop all this thing. It not good. Make we try they say Nigeria we get veggie. Like me now go use and natural say we get veggie for Nigeria, but me now cannot say it because I don't know how it is. As you mother where they look for veggie girl, I don't understand. Were you a virgin when your husband meets you? That means if you were a virgin, no problem. You will get a virgin for your son. And your son, is your son a virgin? For your son to look for a virgin woman. So you have to check it and balance it. If maybe it's good, it's perfect, then you are good to go. Then you're going to be searching for virgin. You get one movie where I watch. The girl say na virgin he be. Whereas this girl he don't put ikpekus for everywhere. Even so she no go even feel born again. He can't meet this man. He do those things where they do to tighten the ikpekus. I let her the man say and say, come, nothing there. Ikpekus don't fair. You understand? Make una try, they keep una safe. It's very good. And man go to use and respect you. When you know the talab, just they take and putu just because of what? Money. Not with this money where we go eat, we go die, live. We go die, live on. So why are we killing ourselves? Like me, I don't really care. Any small one where I get, I'm okay. I'm not that desperate. I'm not desperate for money. Yes. So I'm using this for other people. Don't be desperate for money. Because when you too pursue money, the money will pursue you. You don't want money to pursue you. Keep your... Anyone where you get, manage. Don't say, my friend, they wear bone straight hair. It's just like this my hair. Now if you say you not go buy ya, hey, I must buy this hair when mama did it wear. My dear. You know how much I take buy ya? What is your lassa? They'll come they draw you dead for us. You don't need that. If you don't have the money, don't go for it. But if you have the money, go for it. It's good. It's very, very good. Go for it. So guys, please learn how to manage what you have. And learn how to keep yourself for your husband. So that when your husband meets you, he will not regret. He not go regret, say, how? Oh my word, what kind of woman be this? How did I get her? How did I get her? You understand? So my people, That's video. I just say make I bring this small video for you to tell you mama wey dey talk say your pikin must marry virgin. Were you a virgin? If you are a virgin, no problem, we will look for virgin for you. But if you are not a virgin and your son is not a virgin, there's no need for you to look for a virgin. What you need to look for a is it a fearful woman or God-fearly, how they say it, I don't know. A good woman, a woman that will respect your husband, a woman that will respect his husband, a woman that will respect herself. And you go see son, they go say they did the marriage, they go see they shook their leg for another place. Another man go see they lick their leg, lick their quickos, lick everywhere, lickable. Are you in a marriage house? That will not be marriage. You cannot be in a marriage house where other man is chopping your quickos. You are a disgrace. It's not good. I don't like women that flirt, and I don't like men that flirt. It's just something that I can't do with that. I don't like it. It's somehow in my ear when I see that you are that kind of person. I will try and advise you. If you don't listen, you're on your own. Stay away from me. Nothing will not the let person stop. Nothing. If you're ready to stop it, you can stop it. But when you are not ready, okpari, I'm so that they talk. So now in my country people, now I say make I bring for now. So guys, leave your comments under the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. If we still get virgin for Nigeria, is there mostly virgin? And this our mama where they look for virgin. Make una still leave una comment. If she na virgin, make she can say answer. Or if pikin na virgin, you understand? So guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? You are missing the gallant lady herself. Yes, the Otokinadu lady herself. Yes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell, so that anytime I make bakan, you will be bakan with me. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Ciao.